This video could have been done by now. I need a flash. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to another video. Okay, it's your girl Renee, and we're back with another Trader Joe's grocery haul. So for the week, this week I only spent $58, which is nice. And I feel like a good amount of stuff for that. So, and I got a few things that I never tried before. They're not necessarily new. I just haven't tried before. So we'll jump right into this. Y'all excuse if you see my brother and Carmen in the background. They're cooking dinner right now. But so first I got some sweet tea. I have never tried Trader Joe's sweet tea, so hopefully it's sweet and hopefully it's good, because y'all know Trader Joe's be trying to be healthy sometimes, so they don't be having their stuff too sweet. So we're gonna see. Let me know if y'all ever tried that before and how you guys feel about that. Next I got this parsley. Parsley, I wish you could buy it in a smaller bunch, because I'm not gonna use all this parsley and it's probably gonna go bad. But I'm gonna use it for 2 meals this week, so hopefully I use a good amount of it. That's that. I didn't want to get the dried parsley. I want it fresh for my meals. I also got these cauliflower florets. I got 2 bags of these because sometime during this week I wanted to make buffalo cauliflower wings. So we'll see how those go. Hopefully they come out good. Next, let's go with the 2 meats I got. So these are staple, some chicken breasts and some salmon. So with this salmon, I'm planning on making either salmon, asparagus, and I think sweet potatoes, like roasted in the oven. And then with the chicken, I'm gonna try to make this new meal with chicken, regular roasted potatoes, and spinach. I still had some spinach here from last week, so I didn't need to buy any more spinach for that. So I'm excited to try that and see how it goes. Next, I went ahead and got some organic heavy whipping cream. So this is going to be for that chicken recipe. Yeah, I found the recipe on Pinterest. If I can link it below, I will. I'll try to do that. Next, I got this sparkling ginger and lemon apple cider vinegar beverage. I've had this once. I had this a few times, but I haven't had it in a while. And so I just bought 1 can right now to drink today. I just felt like drinking this, so I'll drink that. They have another one. It's a strawberry lemon ginger, I think. Like a strawberry lemonade. That one it's okay, but I actually prefer this one over it. It kind of tastes like this one tastes like a Sprite with like a hint of like ginger or something. I don't know. Then I got this lemon sparkling water. So hopefully this is good. I've been trying to get more into sparkling waters because I have been drinking an outrageous amount of soda and my skin has been breaking out, but for some reason I'm still craving that carbonation. So we're gonna try this. Hopefully it doesn't taste like acid water, because sometimes I have some sparkling waters that literally taste like acid and I cannot. So we'll try this one. And then I also got this more sparkling water. So this one is, and then I think I left off on the teas because the camera cut off. So the tea I got is some English breakfast tea and some green tea. I guess we've been drinking all the tea because there's barely no tea in the house, and yeah. So I bought those and I like tea. I'll drink that in the morning, midday, whenever. I like coffee too, but I'm more of a tea drinker. Next I got 2 things of Brussels sprouts. Like I said, for one of the meals, this week, I'm going to make some salmon with some Brussels sprouts. Or I'll make this with the chicken. I don't know. But I want Brussels sprouts this week. I haven't had that in a little bit. And, y'all, I like the shaved Brussels sprouts. You got to get the shaved Brussels sprouts. And actually, Britton Snow, I think that's her name here on YouTube, she actually put me on to those shaved ones. So, get you the shaved Brussels sprouts from Trader Joe's. Also got a bag of sweet potatoes so I can roast these in the oven, or I low-key might put them in my air fryer because I haven't used that in a long time. So I think I actually might do that with these. And then the last thing I got was just some organic russet potatoes. So yeah, I'm gonna put this with the chicken that I'm gonna bake in the oven. So like I said, my bill was only $58.63. So I'm excited about that. I feel like I got a reasonable amount of things for that amount. Especially because salmon in itself is like $15. No matter where you go, salmon is just costly. So, And this salmon is actually pretty good. It looks like it's only a little bit, but it actually is 2 pretty nice sized fillets in here. So I definitely do like getting my salmon from Trader Joe's. I'm sure Costco, if y'all go there, I'm sure they have a great deal on salmon as well. But I don't got Costco because it's just me and my mom that I cook for mainly. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter at ReneeCV13. And I will see y'all next week for my next Trader Joe's video. These are weekly that I do. However, I will also have some other videos in between there because I try to upload at least 2 times a week. So thanks y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.